to my holiday fun treat video. My name is Christina Grosso and I'm a physical instructor at Gompers Park. Today we are going to be putting together a Grinch Fruit Kabob. So, I will tell you all of my ingredients I have here. I already washed them and chopped them up. So if you are getting ready to do this snack, make sure you have a guardian with you to help you wash all the fruit well and chop it up, and then you could have the fun stacking it. So, I will start by showing you my ingredients. I have my fresh green grapes that look just like the Grinch. I have my strawberries and my bananas, and then the fun part, which is the mini marshmallows. And we're gonna make a hat that looks just like mine. So, I'm going to take my toothpick. Be careful because it is a little pointy if you need a parent or guardian to help you with it. And I'm gonna start stacking my Grinch Fruit Kabobs. So I'm going to take my green grape and put it on the toothpick, just like this. Make sure it goes all the way to the bottom. And then I'm going to take my sliced banana, put it right on top of the grape, and we're gonna start to build our hat. The next part of it is the strawberry that goes right on top there. You wanna make sure the toothpick pokes a little bit through, so you could add your little mini marshmallow to finish it off. And there you have it, a cute little Grinch Fruit Kabob. Thank you for joining me today, and if you enjoyed my holiday cooking video, check out the YouTube page, Chicago Park District, to check out my other colleagues who are putting together some really exciting videos for you. Thank you for joining me and have a great day.